Okay, hey guys, this is Forsty. We're going to do a steering wheel test before installing the Perrin steering dampener. The purpose of the dampener is to remove some of the play in the steering wheel. So we'll give this test a try. I'm on cruise control at 82 miles per hour, and then we have the active mode engaged, which means lane centering is active. So in this test, I'm going to rock the steering wheel to see if we can move the front wheels, and we'll see what kind of steering wheel play we have. The other thing is, once you start to push the steering wheel to the point of moving the wheels, the active gauge will disengage. So we'll get to see that feature as well. All right, so here's a little bit of movement on the steering wheel with no activity really at the wheels. So you can see a little bit of play here. All right, I'm going to give it a little more play until we disengage active mode. There it is. I'm going to do it again. Active mode activated. And it popped out. So one more time to see how much steering wheel play we have. Disengaged. Okay, so we're going to add that Perrin steering dampener and repeat this test. Bye.